It just came to my attention that a lot of people are going to be heading to Colorado, specifically Imogene Pass. If you've never done Telluride to Ouray or you've never been to Imogene Pass, you're going to want to watch this video first. I put this video up last July, and this video will show you Imogene Pass unlike any other channel has ever shown it before. Period. Link will be in the description. Welcome back to another episode of JailBreak Overlander. I'm Richie, and this is JailBreak. And it's the summertime. July and August, the snowpack in Colorado relents enough so that you can actually traverse the mountain passes. And that's exactly what I plan on doing. Colorado is amazing, whether it's its storybook nighttime skies, which are phenomenal, or the natural artwork you can find in the landscape all around you. Sheer cliff faces, mountain tops, or just amazingly colorful algae formations in the Colorado River. It's truly colorful Colorado for a reason. You can hear the supercharger whining, and the truck was having a little trouble keeping its temperature cool, but she made it as she always does. When you're at the top of the mountain, the color of the landscape makes you believe that you could be on another planet, like the moon or perhaps Mars. Now again, climbing up the mountain is one thing, but heading down is a totally different animal. You need to use your gears and you need to pay attention because it is rocky. Many places are washed out and gravity on its own is pulling you straight down. You really have to pay attention. I'm crawling down this trail in a super modified vehicle basically built to do just this. But back when this trail was first blazed, these were guys with one pair of shoes, one donkey, one cart, maybe a shovel and a pickaxe. It's pretty amazing when you think about it. Switchbacks or very sharp U-turns are very common on Imogene Pass, as they are on any mountain. Just remember, whoever is coming up has the right of way. On Imogene, fortunately, you can basically see a mile away, so you can see if there's traffic coming in the other direction. At this time of day, it's very rare to run into another vehicle. Waterfalls, scenic views are absolutely everywhere. It's amazing the views that Imogene Pass affords you. People with cameras will be in second heaven. Utterly amazing. The wildlife, the timber, all this stuff. Soak it in. Enjoy it while you can. Even though you're technically off the mountain, you're still at 9,000 feet. And driving down this dirt road, most people miss these things. But there are some waterfalls and valleys that are absolutely stunning. I make sure to stop and smell the roses, so to speak, when I'm on the trail. Well, there you have it. There's just 5 minutes out of the 30-minute high definition video that I put up on Imogene Pass. I'll leave a link in the description box below, and I'll also leave a pop-up link. If you're going to Imogene Pass, if you're going to Telluride, Ouray, or Colorado, you're going to want to watch this video first. At any rate, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below, and I will return the favor. I am out.